Good morning, NOLA.
Good morning, NOLA. We love you.
We love you. Right, I've got a surprise for you in the boot.
Oh wow, what is it?
Hold on.
Is it a cake?
I've got a surprise for you in the trunk.
Oh.
Nice car this. If you're looking for a new car, buy this Mazda, it's brilliant.
It's a Mazda.
It's a Mazda.
Oh, bloody nice.
Right, open the boot.
Please.
So this is,
What's the magic word?
please. So this is more things for P3.
Banana!
It's not a banana.
Oh.
Look, you got a certificate. That's for like shocks and things.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
That's
and
pretty good. That's
and
so
also
$100.
$100 and a set of brake pads.
Come on.
How good is that?
Decent.
So quali, we think this quali is going to be to dictate the places for today's race.
I hope so.
Yeah, that'd be great.
It's unlikely this session will be quicker than yesterday's. The track will be probably a bit quicker, but the tyres, everyone's tyres will be a bit worse off. So hopefully it's not like fastest lap of the weekend, hopefully it is this for the race.
That'd be great.
No one seems to know.
No.
So we'll go out for 2 laps, put in the best lap we can, come in, what happens. So,
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Right, you need to give those to Susan now.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? How are you feeling? Pumped!
I'm pumped.
What's up, low gang? Qualifying 2 done.
Yeah, done.
We were really quick, 3rd fastest out there, but because everyone's tyres had exploded from quali in a race yesterday, no one went quicker, myself included. So comparatively in the session we were quick, but we've not improved our quali position, so we will still be starting 8th, which was fine for yesterday, but it would have been nice to start further up because I reckon I could probably hang with the leaders a little better, but who knows, if we get a really good start we might be in a position to do that anyway. So yeah. Rice time. We're gonna eat some rice from Piggly Wiggly and I hope it's gonna be nice. It's cool here. I like it.
Hello.
Here I am. Rice. Goodbye rice break. Hello race time.
Over the weekend, Luke has been slightly heavy-handed with his headphones that are attached to his helmet, so you know, more expense. So he doesn't have comms with the team, which isn't ideal. And this is a 30-minute race. It might be 35-minute race actually. So it's important for him to know where he's at, like time-wise. So Grant, Axe and Justin have come up with a solution and given him some top tips. So this is actually like a go-kart timer, so that's Luke's timer for the race.
Knowledge. It's quite nice to get this chauffeur service.
What you paid for, man. We gotta get that headphone situation fixed. I miss talking to you.
I know.
I'm quite bored. I guess the last thing is when you're watching your temp, you know, same thing. Like 230 is pretty hot, and if you're stuck in a draft for quite some time and you're getting above, if you're getting close to the 230 mark, you know, just in a general performance sense, if you get cleaner air and cool it down a little bit, it will be better.
I was pulling out at like 215 before.
You got a little more time.
Okay.
You got a little more time. Like 215, 220, start looking for clean air, and that's more of like, hey, my engine's heat soaked, it's gonna make more power if it's not as heat soaked.
Yeah.
And then 230 is like, man, I wonder why my engine isn't cooling down. I need to get some air, type deal. Other than that, if you're above 190, you're doing good. That's about all I got for you.
Lovely jubbly.
Everything else I wrote down, so have fun, buddy.
Will do.
I have never wanted P5 as much in my life.
Didn't take long for for P6s to be disappointing. The car, I don't know if it's a combination of the car coming back to me or everyone else's tyres kind of ending up in the same zone as mine. We kind of balked it in quali 1 by staying out the whole session. Yeah, I got the podium yesterday. I wanted another one today. I got sick. I just needed a little bit more life in the tyres.
Yeah, we're learning.
We're learning. So it's still been a great weekend.
It's been great.
Yeah, I really want VIR to come along with. Goodbye! What a lovely group of lads. Dude, we're about to have a shrimp party. Oh, crab cakes. Happy Monday, everybody. It is Luke from the internet and racetracks as well. Goodbye, room. You've really looked after us well. I don't know if we've debriefed much about yesterday, but I've just realised I've got this zoomed in. So yesterday went really, really well. Kind of. So we still got P6, closing in on P5 at the end. Not another podium, sadly, but I think that was always going to be a really big task with the way the tyres were. We got VIR in 2 weeks with some fresh rubber, and I think we're on the right track. I think it's going to go well. I think we're going to get more of these. Hopefully some higher steps. So yeah. Swap ya. Through security.
Good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was straightforward for you.
Favourite security ever.
Yeah, me too. I got a pat down and put a finger up my bum. Whew. Where we go? This way.